Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this metal box or tin are two Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series straps, just giving you a look at the details of the tin or metal box packaging and to give you some sense of its size, just resting it in my palm or hand. And now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding the lid off, and to give you a sense of the metal lid with a metallic finish to it, and just setting that to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a direct look inside of the metal tin or box. Now we can see the two Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series straps. The one at the top is the Abyss and the one at the bottom is the Black. So we're giving you a look as they are in the tin, and we can see that matte black PVD finish or metal hardware with the Luff Watchstrap branding on it. Okay, let's tip them out of the tin, and I'm just going to close it back up and just setting the tin on back on the right hand side. Okay, and now giving you a look at both straps, so the Black on the left and the Abyss on the right. So you can see that they are fabric straps with the matte black hardware on them, and just giving you a close-up look at the details and the stitching as well of both the straps. So just opening them up to give you a sense of the details and overall design. So these are the G1 style fitment straps. Okay, and let's focus just on the black one first. So just setting the Abyss on the left hand side of the tabletop so we can better focus on this strap right here in much closer detail. So you can see once again that Luff matte black, or there's actually a satin finish to it, as you can see how the light plays against its surface. So right there, the overall finish of the satin finish black PVD hardware of this Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series strap in black. And to give you some sense of the fabric or elasticity of the strap, just stretching it, as you can see right there. So this strap measures 23 centimeters long, and you can see once again the amount of stretch that it has. So G1 style fitment, 22 millimeters wide, and of course being the Stealth Series with the satin finish black PVD hardware on it. Okay, so that's the black one, just setting that down and on the left, and bringing in the Abyss model so you can see the color does have an overall bluish grey coloring to it. And once again from the Stealth series as well, so it does have that satin finish PVD hardware. And of course, being an Elastico, once again, it does have that elasticity to it as well. So giving you a close-up look at the stretch of the material. So 22 millimeters wide and 23 centimeters long. And with the G1 style fitment as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and fit it on a watch. So I'm going to use the black one to fit onto this Tudor Black Bay Ceramic Blue reference M79210 CNU-0007, which I've unboxed recently. And I've removed the spring bars for ease of fitment for the video. And of course it does have a 22 millimeter wide lug width gap. And just to give you some sense right there, just a test fitment over the Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series black strap. So right there, giving you a sense of the fitment of the strap in that gap right there between the lugs, so 22 millimeters wide. Okay, so now let's go ahead and fit the strap on. So with the G1 style, we need to remove the spring bars, which I've done already. So just, in this case, we just need to put the spring bars back on. So let's do that, and hopefully this shouldn't be too complicated using my fingernails to pop the factory Tudor spring bars back on. So here's another one. Let's pop that side on as well, if I can feel for the lug hole, and let's use my fingernail right there and pop the other lug in place. So just making sure that they are in position, giving it a wiggle right there and a gentle tug. And let's flip the strap back over. So there we go, giving you a look right there. And let's give it a wipe just in case. So I have a microfiber cloth here, just dusting off some finger marks or handprint, and giving you a look with the Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series black on it. So 22 millimeters wide, matching up with the lug width or lug spacing of the Tudor Black Bay Ceramic Blue. So let's take another look. So giving you a further up look there, and the overall details. And the watch head or case is 14.4 millimeters thick. So giving you a sense of that thickness now. with the strap fitted on it. And to give you some sense of the stretch as well, just once again just tugging on the ends or sides of the strap. Okay, and now let's go ahead and try it on. So I do have a 16.75 centimeter circumference size wrist, or 6.5 inches. Let's stick my hand or fist through and slide the keeper tightly against my wrist, or give it a little bit of breathing space right there, and just tugging as well to give you some sense again of the elasticity of the strap. Now of course let's hook the strap on for a more secure fit, so we can use that upper position right there. Maybe not. Let's use the lower one. And just to tighten things up, and there we have it. The strap fitted onto my wrist. So once again, this is the G1 style Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series in black with a 22mm width. And of course, being the Stealth Series, having the satin finished PVD hardware. And this strap is 23 centimeters long. So once again, giving you an overall look at the fitment of the strap on my wrist. And the overall details up close as well, so you can see the overall fitment with the Tudor Black Bay ceramic blue. Okay, so there we go, nice and snug overall. And of course, to give you some sense of, once again, the elasticity of the strap, just pulling on it and readjusting, so just sliding that keeper for the perfect fitment and comfort. Okay, so just unhooking the hook, and once again giving you a close-up look at the details of the strap. Okay, and of course we can hook it back down on the closer position, and there, up close. So that's the Luff Watchstrap Elastico Stealth Series. Thanks for watching and happy strapping!